this notepad and try to understand. What we are going to now understand is something called deseasonalization. We are going to learn something called deseasonalization. Season. Deseasonalization. Now, what is deseasonalization? Let's draw the time series plot. Let's say this was June, December, maybe June, December. Let's say 2024, 2025, maybe whatever, something like that. This is a time series plot, and I have again the room occupancy on the y-axis. Now, if I ask you, Darshan, that what is the trend in this particular, is it an upward trend or a downward trend, or it's just there's no trend, as in the trend is flat. So what sort of trend is here?
Would it be flat because it's just the same thing repeating again and again?
Exactly. I mean, you see here, I mean, it's not sort of, if I draw the trend line, it is sort of pretty flat, right? This is the trend line. It's not sort of going up or down. It's kind of the slope. I mean, should I choose is zero, right? Now, this is where deseasonalization comes into picture. In the world of seasonality, when your data is having a seasonality trend in it, what happens at times is that we fail to identify the trend simply because the trend is not visible at all. As you said, it's a flat line. There is no trend. That means this hotel's business is not either going up or down. It's pretty much doing the same revenue across the years. But that might be incorrect. So what we need to do is we use a technique called deseasonalization to remove the seasonality in the data. To remove seasonality in the data. So then what you will see is when you remove the seasonality and you plot the deseasonalized values on the time series plot, you will start to see some trend, either up or maybe down. See, up or maybe down, which is at the first place not visible when the data is given with seasonality in it. So deseasonalization helps us to, number one, remove seasonality, and the second most important thing that it does is it helps us identify the real trends in the data. So that's the goal of deseasonalization. Is this clear so far?
Yep.
Cool. All right.